Unlike other applications, Safari is deeply integrated into macOS. It cannot be directly uninstalled or reinstalled without risking system instability. Instead, update macOS to get a fresh version of Safari. If problems persist, perform a fresh install of macOS. The primary method to refresh Safari is to update your macOS version. Start by going to the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and selecting System Preferences or System Settings in newer versions. Then click on Software Update. Your Mac will automatically check for available updates. If an update is available that includes Safari improvements, you'll see options to update. Click Update Now or Upgrade Now and follow the on-screen instructions. This ensures you have the latest compatible version of Safari. Alternatively, if you still have issues, you can reinstall macOS, which will reinstall a fresh version of Safari. This process starts by entering recovery mode, but back up your data before attempting.